I just found one of the most fascinating faceless channels on YouTube. No animations created by a studio, no expensive production team, no Hollywood-level editing, just simple hand-drawn sketches on a white background. Yet somehow this channel has exploded to more than 80,000 subscribers and over 6 million views. And here's the part that made me stop scrolling. One video generated over 1.2 million views, another crossed a million, several more pulled in hundreds of thousands of views, all using the exact same visual style. Simple drawings, simple storytelling, massive results. So naturally, I had one question. How is a channel drawing stick figures, survival sketches, and whiteboard illustrations outperforming creators spending weeks editing their videos? The answer is surprisingly simple. They're not selling animations. They're selling curiosity. Every thumbnail creates a question. Every title creates urgency. And every video keeps viewers locked in with visual storytelling that feels impossible to stop watching. So I decided to reverse engineer the entire process. How they find ideas, how they write scripts, how they create the visuals, how they generate voiceovers, and most importantly, how you can create the same style of videos using AI tools, even if you've never animated anything in your life. I've even included all the prompts, tools, and workflows so you can follow along and build your own channel. And I've got something special for you. If you subscribe to the channel and comment Blueprint.
Imagine opening a world map and discovering that hundreds of countries you've never heard of once existed. Entire kingdoms ruled millions of people. Massive empires stretched across continents. Some lasted for centuries. Others vanished almost overnight. Today, we'll travel through more than 1,000 years of history to uncover countries that disappeared from the map and find out what happened to them. And some of these stories are far stranger than you might expect. If you could travel back to the year 1000, the world map would look almost unrecognizable. Many modern countries didn't exist yet. There was no Germany, no Italy, no United States, no Canada, no Australia. Instead, the world was filled with kingdoms, tribes, city-states, and powerful empires competing for land and influence.
Open the Google Doc and locate the educational topic generator prompt. This is the exact prompt I use whenever I need fresh educational video ideas with strong viral potential. Go ahead and copy the entire prompt, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat box. Before you click generate, there's one small setting you should know about. If you scroll down through the prompt, you'll notice a number that's currently set to 20. That number controls how many video ideas ChatGPT generates for you. Want more ideas? Simply change that number to whatever you'd like, 30, 50, or even 100. The more ideas you generate, the greater your chances of finding a topic with serious viral potential. Once you're ready, click generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will begin creating a list of educational video ideas complete with titles, hook angles, viral scores, retention potential, and explanations for why each topic could perform well. And this is where the process becomes really valuable. Instead of sitting in front of a blank screen, trying to figure out what video to make next, you'll instantly have dozens of proven concepts ready to explore. For example, topics like every country that disappeared from the map, the rise and fall of the largest empires in human history, or how the world map changed every 100 years. These aren't random ideas. They're specifically designed around curiosity, transformation, mystery, rankings, and visual storytelling. The exact ingredients that help educational videos earn clicks, hold attention, and keep viewers watching all the way through. But generating topics is only the first step. In the next phase, I'm going to show you how to take one of those ideas and turn it into a complete video concept that's ready for production. Now that we have a list of high potential video ideas, it's time to transform one of them into a full narration script. Head back to the Google Doc and open the voiceover script section. Inside, you'll find the master prompt specifically designed for educational whiteboard animation videos. Go ahead and copy the entire prompt. Then jump back into ChatGPT and paste it into a new chat. Before you click generate, though, there's one important thing you need to do. At the top of the prompt, you'll see a section called topic input. This is where you'll paste the topic you want ChatGPT to build the script around. For this example, I'm using every country that disappeared from the map, 1000 AD to today. Once you've added your topic, click generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will begin transforming that single idea into a complete educational video script, and not just a basic article or collection of facts, a fully structured, retention-focused narration built specifically for YouTube. One of the first things you'll notice is how the script opens with a strong hook designed to capture attention immediately. From there, it gradually introduces new information while constantly creating curiosity about about what's coming next. For example, viewers first learn that hundreds of countries have disappeared throughout history. Then they're introduced to forgotten kingdoms, fallen empires, vanished nations, and major political shifts that completely changed the world map. Each section naturally flows into the next, creating a sense of momentum that keeps viewers engaged. And that's exactly what we're aiming for, because educational videos don't succeed simply because they contain information. They succeed when that information is presented in a way that keeps people curious and invested all the way to the end. Now comes the most important part of the entire workflow, because a great script by itself doesn't create millions of views. The visuals do. In fact, two creators can use the exact same script, and one video might get a few hundred views while the other reaches millions. The difference comes down to visual execution. So now, let's transform our narration into a complete animation blueprint. Head back to the Google Doc and open the animation video prompt section. This is the master prompt designed to convert any educational script into a professional whiteboard animation production package. Go ahead and copy the entire prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it into a new chat. Before you click generate, you'll need to provide the script we created in the previous step. Simply copy the complete voiceover script and paste it into the script input section. Once everything is in place, hit generate. Now watch what happens. Instead of getting a generic summary or a handful of random scene ideas, ChatGPT analyzes the entire script and breaks it down into a sequence of highly engaging visual scenes. Every section of narration gets paired with a specific visual explanation. Every scene serves a purpose. Every drawing teaches something, and every transition helps move the story forward. For example, when the narration talks about forgotten countries, ChatGPT creates world maps, disappearing borders, mystery symbols, and visual comparisons that instantly reinforce the idea. When the script discusses massive empires, the visuals show territories expanding across continents. And when a nation collapses, borders shrink, timelines break apart, and entire regions transform right in front of the viewer. That's exactly what makes educational videos so engaging, because viewers aren't just listening to information. They're constantly seeing it unfold visually, and that continuous visual discovery is what keeps people watching from beginning to end. You'll also notice that the output is divided into roughly 15 individual scenes for every 1-minute section of content. Each scene includes a detailed video generation prompt, animation instructions, drawing sequences, marker movements, visual progression, transitions, and the exact voiceover segment that goes with it. In other words, you're no longer guessing what should appear on screen. The entire visual storytelling process has already been mapped out for you. And this is where most creators save a huge amount of time. Instead of manually planning every scene, every diagram, every map, every timeline, and every transition, ChatGPT builds the entire storyboard automatically. The result feels much less like a script and much more like a professional animation production package. But we're still not finished, because these scene prompts aren't the final videos yet. In the next phase, I'll show you how to take these production-ready prompts and turn them into actual whiteboard animation clips that will become your finished video. Now it's time to bring those storyboard prompts to life. Start by copying the Scene 1 prompt that ChatGPT generated. Then head over to Google Flow. Once you're inside, paste the entire scene prompt into the prompt box. Next, make sure your settings match the Select Video Generation. Enable Ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose the Omni Flash model. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Then click Generate. After a short processing time, Google Flow will create the first whiteboard animation scene for your video. Now let's take a look at what the output actually does. The scene begins with a clean whiteboard and a realistic hand drawing a world map in real time. As the narration introduces forgotten countries, question marks, country outlines, and labels like Lost Nation and Forgotten Kingdom begin appearing across the map. This instantly sparks curiosity. Viewers naturally start asking themselves, what are these countries and why did they disappear? As more symbols, arrows, and visual clues are added, the map gradually transforms into a mystery waiting to be solved. And that's exactly what makes this scene so effective. Instead of immediately giving viewers the answers, it creates questions. And those questions are what keep people watching. By the end of the clip, the hand naturally shifts the viewer's attention toward the center of the map, creating a smooth transition into the next part of the story. In other words, this isn't just a drawing. It's a visual hook designed to capture attention, spark curiosity, and keep viewers engaged. Now let's move on to Scene 2. Copy the second video generation prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Keep the same settings as before. Then click Generate. This scene is designed to visualize the scale and power of ancient kingdoms. The animation begins with a realistic hand drawing a large medieval castle, immediately establishing the idea of a powerful kingdom. Next, crowds of people begin appearing beneath the castle, followed by a crown icon that represents leadership and authority. As the narration mentions millions of people, population icons rapidly multiply across the whiteboard. This creates a powerful visual contrast between a single kingdom and the enormous number of people living under its rule. Instead of simply hearing that kingdoms ruled millions of people, viewers actually see that scale unfold right in front front of them. And that's what makes educational animations so effective. They turn abstract information into something viewers can instantly understand visually. By the end of the scene, the growing population and expanding kingdom create a strong sense of size. Now let's generate scene 3. Copy the third video generation prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Keep the same settings as before, then click Generate. This scene is all about showing the incredible scale of ancient empires. The animation starts with a realistic hand sketching a large territory onto the whiteboard. As the narration continues, borders expand across multiple regions while flags, crowns, and directional arrows appear to represent growing power and influence. The territory keeps expanding until it covers a massive portion of the board. Now here's something most creators don't know. Google Flow is incredible, but if you're using the free plan, there's one limitation you'll run into pretty quickly. You're only allowed to generate a certain number of videos each day. And if you're creating longer whiteboard videos with dozens of scenes, you'll reach that limit much faster than you might expect. But what if I told you there's another Google AI tool that lets you generate videos and images completely free? And surprisingly, almost nobody is talking about it. Let me show you. Head over to Google Vids and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. And right here is the feature we're interested in, VO 3.1. This is Google's powerful AI video generation model built directly into Google Vids. Click on VO 3.1. Then simply copy one of the video generation prompts we created earlier and paste it into the prompt box. Once you've done that, click Generate. And this is where things get interesting. Within just a few seconds, Google Vids starts transforming that text prompt into a fully animated video clip. No drawing skills required. No animation software to learn. No complicated editing process. Just a prompt and a little bit of patience. The results can be surprisingly impressive. Maps come to life. Illustrations appear naturally. And complex visual concepts become much easier to understand. And because you can continue generating new videos and images, it's a great option for creators who want to produce more content without constantly worrying about daily generation limits. That means you now have two powerful options available to you: Google Flow for high-quality scene generation and Google Vids for creating additional videos and visuals completely free. Either way, you're no longer limited by your animation skills. You're letting AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on creating great content. But there's one more tool that's definitely worth checking out. It's called Diggin AI. Simply copy the same video generation prompt, paste it into Diggin AI, and click Generate. Within seconds, Diggin AI transforms that prompt into a complete video scene. And here's the best part. Every AI video generator produces slightly different results. That means a scene created in Diggin AI can look completely different from the same scene generated in Google Flow or Google Vids. And that's exactly why many successful creators generate the same scene across multiple platforms before choosing a final version. More options, better visuals, higher quality videos. Now from here, it's simply a matter of repeating the process. Take each scene prompt generated by ChatGPT and create the matching video clip. Continue generating scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and every remaining scene until your entire storyboard has been converted into video. As each clip is generated, download it and organize it into a folder so everything stays structured and easy to edit later. For the best results, I recommend testing both Google Flow and Google Vids whenever possible. Generate the same scene in both tools and compare the outputs side by side. Sometimes Google Flow produces the stronger animation. Other times Google Vids creates the better visual. The goal isn't to use one tool exclusively. It's to use whichever version looks the most engaging and fits your story the best. By the time you finish this step, you'll have every video clip needed to assemble your complete whiteboard animation video. And from there, all that's left is putting the pieces together. Now open your favorite video editing software and drag all of the generated video clips onto the timeline. Arrange them in the correct sequence based on the storyboard. At this point, you'll probably notice something. It's actually very difficult to trim, pace, and synchronize the clips perfectly without having the voiceover first. So let's generate one. Head back to ChatGPT and open the voiceover script section. Copy the complete script we generated earlier. Next, go to Google Vids and click on voiceovers. Paste the entire script into the text box. Below, you'll see an option to change the voice. Click on it. Google Vids includes a large collection of AI voices, and one of the best things about it is that they're completely free to use. Before choosing a voice, take a moment to listen to a few samples and find one that matches the style of content you're creating. For this example, I'm going with JC. Once you've made your selection, click Generate. Within a few seconds, Google Vids will create a complete voiceover for your entire script.
Imagine opening a world map and discovering that hundreds of countries you've never heard of once existed. Entire kingdoms ruled millions of people. Massive empires stretched across continents. Some lasted for centuries. Others vanished almost overnight. Today, we'll travel through more than 1,000 years of history to uncover countries that disappeared from the map and find out what happened to them. And some of these stories are far stranger than you might expect.
But if you'd like even more voice options, there's another tool I highly recommend, 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs and navigate to the Voices section. Select English as the language and choose an American accent. You'll find a huge library of high-quality AI voices to choose from. For educational content, I recommend testing voices that sound clear, energetic, and professional. For this example, I'm going with Brian. Simply paste in your script, adjust the voice settings to your liking, and click Generate. Once it's ready, download the version you like best. Now you have a professional voiceover that's ready to be synced with your video clips, making the editing process faster, smoother, and much easier to manage. Now drag and drop the voiceover onto your timeline. At this point, you should have both your video clips and your voiceover ready to go. The next step is syncing everything together. Start listening to the voiceover and adjust the length of each video clip so it matches the narration naturally. And here's a simple trick if you ever get lost during the process. Head back to ChatGPT and open the video generation prompts. Under each scene, you'll find the matching voice over segment. Simply listen to that section of the narration and pair it with the correct video clip. If a clip ends too early, slow it down slightly. If it's too long, either trim the excess or speed it up a little. Continue repeating this process until every scene flows smoothly with the voiceover. Once your timing is locked in, it's time to generate captions for the entire video. Choose a font that matches your style and makes the text easy to read. Then add a stroke around the captions to improve visibility. Next, apply a subtle glow effect and adjust the intensity until it looks clean and professional. After that, add a shadow and fine-tune the opacity to create a bit more depth. Now let's make the video feel even more polished. Add smooth transitions between clips such as mix fade or glare transitions. These small details may seem minor, but they make a huge difference in the overall viewing experience. To give the entire project a more cinematic look, add an adjustment layer above all of your clips. Then make a few simple adjustments. Add a subtle vignette, adjust the brightness, and fine-tune the contrast. These small changes help unify the entire video and make everything feel more visually consistent. And finally, if any generated clips contain a watermark, there are a couple of easy ways to handle it. You can slightly scale up the clip to crop it out, or place your channel logo in a position that naturally covers it. Once everything looks good, export your video. And that's it. You now have a complete educational whiteboard animation video created with AI, from topic generation all the way to the final export. And there you have it. Starting with a single topic idea, we've built an entire educational whiteboard animation video using AI. We generated viral video topics, turned those topics into high retention scripts, converted those scripts into scene by scene animation prompts, generated professional video clips with AI, created realistic voiceovers, edited everything together, added captions, effects, and finishing touches, and finally exported a complete video that's ready for YouTube. Just a few years ago, creating this type of content required an entire team: researchers, scriptwriters, voice actors, animators, and video editors. Today, AI can help you accomplish all of that from a single laptop, and that's what makes this so powerful. The biggest mistake most creators make isn't a lack of tools. It's overthinking and never getting started. Don't wait for the perfect video. Choose a topic, follow the workflow, publish consistently, and improve with every upload, because every successful channel started with a single video. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more AI-powered content creation strategies, make sure to subscribe to Lucas AI. And if there's a specific AI workflow you'd like me to cover next, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.